My name is Matthew Cole. I'm a UAS 107 drone pilot. Today we are out here in Houston doing a encroachment patrol on a water right-of-way that is managed by Gannett Fleming for the West Harris County Regional Water Authority. Basically what we do is we just fly over these water right-of-ways to make sure that there's no construction that hasn't been reported on, or any kind of debris or any areas of concern that need to be reported to Gannett Fleming. Just to make sure, since we're in an area that's very heavily populated, that there's enough areas of concern or anything that needs to be addressed. We also do work with a lot of different oil and gas pipeline companies here. Houston being one of the energy corridors, there's a lot of different pipelines that go through residential areas, and it's really important to make sure that those are being frequently patrolled to make sure there's no construction that hasn't been communicated or any kind of concerns. Like I said, we're in a very densely populated area, and it's that safety that really benefits the local schools, local families, businesses. Make sure that these pipelines and right-of-ways that are around here are not being encroached upon or having anything done that is concerning or could put anybody's well-being at risk.